On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a handheld grinder. Okay, on this piece of metal I have a weld here, okay? If this was not cosmetic and I wasn't going to see it, I wouldn't worry about it. But let's just say this is on something I'm building and I want to finish it to where you don't even know that a weld is there and that the material is just nice and pretty and shiny. So what I will do is I will clamp it down so it doesn't wander off. Because these grinders turn about 1800 RPM. Once they get to rolling, if they flick your project around the room, it's not very fun. I'll start off with this grinder, and I'm going to use a thick, heavy, coarse stone wheel to just take the excess weld down. I don't want to take it down so far that I start removing metal around the weld. I just want to take it down to there, and then I'll use all my other attachments to finish it off. Okay, and using your grinder on this weld right here, I took the leading edge and just used the leading edge. As you notice, I got a little here into my metal, but around here it's untouched, and that's just what I wanted because I got some finer grit sanding and grinding wheels that'll take care of that. Now, if I'm just on a big piece of steel and I'm wanting to knock off excess BBs or what have you, I'll lay it flat and just let it ride itself around and go smooth, but I don't want to mess up any of this other metal. So that's why I use the leading edge like that. It eats it off a lot quicker, and that's how you do that.